What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Dwood here, and today I am bringing you the most requested look on my channel: how I get my hair this color. So I have had blonde hair for about 3 years now. Within the last 2, maybe 1.5 years is when I kind of figured out that this is my color. I figured out a way that works for me. I can't lie to y'all now, I'm no professional, number one, and each time I do this it comes out different. I just be finessing my whole way through. But if you're curious to see how I got this color, then definitely keep on watching. Please disregard the way I'm looking. I know I look really crazy, but we about to get it together. I am not a professional. I'm literally just showing y'all what I do to get my look. That's all I'm gonna say on that. So the main product that I use is a powder bleach. Currently I'm trying the BW2 powder with the 30 volume developer and the 20 volume developer, and I'll show y'all how I do each one. Another key component to my look is gonna be some type of purple shampoo. Normally I do like to use the shimmering lights, but I noticed that it's really drying. I'm gonna test this one out and see how I like it, but all in all you just need a really purple shampoo, and you can see that's what I like to go for. I personally like to use some disposable gloves. I like to keep some type of thick petroleum or some type of grease on hand also, just so I can make sure I'm not getting any burns on my skin or my ears. I also like to use a mixing bowl, and I guess this would be an application brush. It's giving real ghetto vibes. It's completely messed up. I honestly think this brush is like 20 years old because I took it from my mom. I also like to keep a handheld mirror on hand, just so I can have like a close-up view of what I'm doing. And then I'm also using like my big mirror here, just so I can see how I'm applying everything. So as you guys can see, I do have some processed hair on my head already. That's because I had pink hair prior to me cutting it all off today. The first thing I'm gonna do is grab a scoop of my bleach, and I want to do like a full hefty scoop, right? And this is gonna go right into my mixing bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my glove. Honestly, I just like to wear a glove. I feel a lot safer. The bleach has burned my fingers before. I got powder bleach going everywhere. But the bleach has burned me before. So I definitely have learned my lesson since then. So I'm gonna go ahead and first of all, I'm gonna take my glasses off. What is this anyway? Daily hair dress. I guess that's what it's really called. I'm black, so I just call it grease. I don't have no Vaseline right now. So I'm gonna take this and go all along my edges. And I like to put a lot. All on my ears. My neck area here. I literally just go all around. And I put a lot. I don't want to burn my skin, so that's mainly why I do this. Okay, this is literally everywhere. I put it all on my neck because this process for me is just a really messy one. When I bleach my hair, it's just me doing it. I don't have any help, and I'm not a professional, so the bleach gets everywhere. So I'd rather just protect everything so that I can come out of this unscathed. So I feel like I'm comfortable with the amount of grease that I just put on. So now I'm gonna go ahead and mix up my bleach concoction. I typically bleach my hair twice to get to the color that I want, and I do it all in the same day. This may not be the best thing for your hair, but it's how I do it. It's what I'm comfortable with doing. So I'm gonna go ahead. The first process that I do is gonna be with the 30 volume developer and 1 scoop of bleach. And now that I'm thinking about it, because I have a lot more hair on my head, I'm gonna add a little bit more. I guess you can call this another half scoop. That's going right in my bowl. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take my 30 volume developer and put a good amount in there. And I start off with less than what I know I'll need, and I just build on it, because once it gets too liquidy, you have to add more powder to it, and at that point, if you don't really need it, you're just wasting your product. Okay, so off rip, I know I'm gonna need more. I like to go for like a consistency that's kind of like a pudding, like the pudding that we used to eat back in the day that comes in a cup. Something that's not too thick, but something that's not too runny, because if it's too runny, it'll just get everywhere. And it's already starting to stink up. So this is what I'm working with so far. It's a little bit thinner than what I would typically go for, but it's fine. This consistency I don't think is gonna run everywhere, so I'm comfortable with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start applying my bleach. I'm starting in the thickest part of my hair. Hold up, let me zoom y'all out some. Okay, so I'm starting in the thickest area of my hair, which I know for me is this whole little top portion here. It grows the fastest and it's the thickest. And I really just paint the product on. Once I get it like pretty much coated for the most part, that's when I'll go in with my hand and just start rubbing the bleach in. Let me check the time because, so it's currently 8:02. Okay, so now I feel like I pretty much have it kind of coated everywhere. I'm gonna add a little bit more. So I always like to do my edges last because I feel like they just grow a lot slower. I feel like that's pretty standard. Everyone's everyone's edges grow slower. And they're like really fragile. And I don't really want to put too much product too soon. So I'm gonna do that part last. I'm not sure if you guys can tell on camera, but my edges are so much thinner than the rest of my hair. So let me show y'all how much bleach I have after that. So I'm gonna make a little bit more. My hair was a lot thicker than what I thought it was. And now I'm just gonna use my hands because it's so much easier and I'm like really able to get in there. I'm 100% sure this is not the proper way to do it, but like I told y'all in the beginning, this is how I do it. This is how I do my hair. I'm no professional, I'm a DIYer. Okay, so now that I have everything pretty much coated, I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. And I'm trying to be like really gentle because they are just thinner. They need a little bit more TLC. And typically my first process doesn't burn. I mean, I might get like a little burn here and there and then it'll just go away. But that second process, when I have to bleach it a second time, that's when it really starts to burn. But YOLO. So one thing that I've realized over the years, when I'm doing this, I really like to make sure I put the bleach, even in places where like when it comes to my hairline, I really put the bleach lower than I think I'll need it, because one time I bleached my hair and I didn't put the bleach all over. I had like a black line of hair that wasn't bleached. So because I'm pretty much blind and I don't have my contacts in, what I like to do is take a picture of the back of my head so I can make sure I got everything. Okay, so I think I got it pretty much all around. So it is now 8:11, so it really didn't take me too long to put all of that in. Normally I will go ahead and put like the clear plastic cap over my head, but I don't have any. I found a Best Buy bag so I can kind of describe this to you. So this is like the outside of the bag, right? Definitely do not put that part on your hair because it's gonna transfer. So I'm gonna just use the inside of the bag and I'm gonna plop it right on there. So I'm gonna let this sit for 1 hour and then I'm gonna come back and I'm not gonna wash it out. I'm gonna make a thin batch of bleach and just kind of rub that all over, and then I'm gonna let that sit for another hour and then I'm gonna wash it out and then we'll be back. So it is now 9:23 and this is what my hair is looking like. Very yellow, very much not what we're going for. So what I like to do from here is, like I said, y'all, I ain't no professional, okay? So I don't know if this is the right way, but this is just what I do. So I'm gonna make another small batch of bleach, like literally super small. So this is how, this is literally like not even a half a scoop, and that's going right in the bowl. And I'm taking my 30 volume developer, and I'm gonna make this like really liquidy. I'm just gonna mix this in real good. I'm gonna use my little applicator brush, and I'm just kind of revamping what's already on my head. If you guys see, like the thickest part of my hair is like the brassiest, which I think that means it just turns a lot slower. It's a lot darker, it's at a different stage and everything else. So that's why I did it first, because I really want that to just be on there as long as possible. And with this step, I'm really not being too precise because bleach is already on my hair. I just want to make sure everything is wet still. Like I said, I ain't a professional. This is just what I do. So everybody's hair is different, right? And that's why I keep saying I'm not a professional, because I figured this out through YouTube. Be The Beat was actually one of the first ladies I came across who was styling her hair the way I wanted to style my hair, who had the color that I wanted. And I remember like rewatching her video over and over again, and even like some of the things that she did I would try to do and it wasn't working for me, so I had to find my own method. That is why I keep stressing the fact that I am not a professional, because I don't want y'all to take everything that I'm saying as fact, because it ain't. I'm just a bald girl living a bald life, trying to be a baddie. That's it, on a budget. So it is 9:29. We'll see what color it turns out in another hour. We'll go ahead and wash it out and then we'll talk. So it is now 10:30 on the dot. So yeah, I'm gonna go rinse this out and then I'll come back and show y'all what we're looking like after 2 hours of sitting with this bleach on. All right, so this is what we're looking like after the first round of bleach. It's actually pretty late and I have a long day. It's almost midnight. It's 11:18. I think I'm just gonna wrap it up for tonight and then I'll do the second bleach in the morning. So I'm actually just gonna put a little bit of castor oil in my hair, put my do-rag on and go to sleep, wake up and then redo this whole process, and I'm gonna bring y'all with me. Alright y'all, so it is the next day and I've already put the grease all over my hairline and a little bit in my edges, just where they are already pretty light. Like you can see right here is more yellow, brassy orange, and my edges are more of the paler yellow, closer to white. So I put a little bit of the grease in my edges, and I'm just gonna do the same thing. Take my bleach. This is about 1.5 scoops of the powdered bleach, and then instead of using the 30 volume developer, we're gonna be doing 20, and I'm gonna do the same process. Pour that in, mix it up. Okay, so this is the consistency that we are working with. And I'm just gonna apply this just like I did the first batch, and I'm like 100% sure this is going to burn. It's gonna burn. Okay, so this is my hair right after the second process. I know it looks pretty light, but it still has like a brassy undertone, right? So I'm back with my clean mixing bowl and my little ghetto brush. So literally y'all, I don't use toner. I literally use shampoo and I let the shampoo do what it gotta do. I squeeze the shampoo because I have a pretty decent amount of hair on my head. I'm gonna put a lot in the bowl. Grab another glove. This part is literally a gamble. Let me tell y'all what I'm gonna do before I start doing this, because once I start, it's literally go time. I apply the shampoo as if it were like a dye, and I'm gonna leave it in for, I really don't know how long I'm gonna leave it in this time. Like I said, this part is literally just a gamble. I'm gonna hop in the shower, wash my body, wash my hair, and I'll come back to show y'all the finished product. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like after I let my purple shampoo sit in for 10 minutes. Literally, I was in the shower when it was time to wash it out. I'm just afraid of my hair staining, but it did exactly what I wanted it to do. It is no longer yellow. It is a nice grayish, whitish color, and that's what I always want my hair to look like. It's just very hard to maintain, so gotta take what I can get. So that's pretty much what I do. Nothing crazy. Yeah, really simple actually. Just 2 rounds of bleach and some shampoo. Okay y'all, so I went ahead and did my makeup so that I can show you guys everything kind of put together. Yeah, if you are bald and you wear do-rags, do y'all just be... Let me take off this do-rag so y'all can see what the color looks like all dried. This is what we are looking like. If you are a blonde bald baddie, then go ahead and subscribe for more hair content. I've been in like this weird mood where I just want to color my hair a lot. Different kind of crazy colors, so definitely stay tuned for that. But yeah, that's all I have for y'all today. Go ahead and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Yeah, talking too much, so I'm gonna shut up. I'll see y'all in the next one.